The question says, in the diagram below, C is due east of A and due north of B. So C is due east of A and the same C is due north of B. Angle BAC is 50 degrees. Angle BAC is 50 degrees. So this is the angle they are talking about. Okay, now here is a question. Find the bearing of A from B. So they want you to find the bearing of A from B. So the bearing of A whilst standing at B. So meaning where you are supposed to stand here at B, you are supposed to draw a north. And since in the question here they have said C is due north of B, meaning already this is a north. So we won't need to draw a north since this is already a north. Following this statement saying C is due east of A, C is east of A, so meaning C is on the east of A and due north of B, so meaning C is on the north of B, so meaning this line here is a north. So from the previous videos we have learned that bearing is measured from the north clockwise until you meet a line that connects, in this case, AB. So this is the north, so we're going to move clockwise like this until we meet the line that connects AB, because they are saying you need to find the bearing of A from B. So from the north clockwise until we reach the line that connects A and B. So from here up to here, from the starting point, moving clockwise and coming back here, it's a complete 10, which is 360 degrees. But now, the bearing of A from B, we are not reaching there. We're not reaching the complete revolution. So meaning we need to subtract this angle that is going to be, that is here, the angle that is here. Now, how are we going to find this angle here? We are going to find that angle by extending this north here. Let's just extend this north here so that we use the properties of alternate angles. So, just for your own information, if you are using compass bearings, like this, you have the north, the south, the east, and west, and the west like this. This angle here is 90 degrees. And again, this angle here is also 90 degrees. This angle here is 90 degrees, and this angle is 90 degrees. Okay. So now, when you come to this question, this is the north. So meaning this angle here is 90 degrees. Again, the entire of this angle here is 90 degrees. But out of 90 degrees, we have been given 50 degrees. Meaning first we need to find, for us to find this angle, we are going to say 90 minus 50, which gives 40 degrees here. So this is the north and this is the north. You can see this line here, which is in between the two parallel lines. So the north and the north are parallel lines. So this line is acting as a transversal. And so you are going to see that this angle here is going to be equal to this angle here. Why? Because these are alternate angles. Okay, these are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. So this angle here is 40 degrees. Okay, now our work has been made easier. So for us to find the bearing of A from B, which is the bearing from here going round up to here, we are going to say the total 10, which is 360 degrees, minus 40 degrees. So we are going to say 360 degrees minus 40 degrees. Okay, this gives 320 degrees. So this is the bearing of A from B. Okay, so I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more maths lessons. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, I encourage you to watch those videos so that you follow through, so that you follow all the lessons on bearings. Goodbye. See you in the next video.